welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do a tropical sunsetty sort of a look. I have a Christmas party to go to tonight and the theme is Tropicana. I thought I'd go all out and do my makeup and stuff because I don't really get to wear colours very often. But yeah, if you guys would like to see how I did it all, then keep on watching and let's jump straight into it. Okay, let's get this party started. So I've already done my eyebrows and my eyeshadow base because that shit's boring. So let's jump straight into eyeshadow. I'm going to use the Smashbox Bold Eye Palette. How cool is that? But yeah, but look at this. How cool is this? Look at those colours. That is amazing. So the first shade I'm going in with is the orange, and I'm just going to put that pretty much all through my crease, lid, whatever you want to call it, in this area. My eyebrows look so big and dark right now. In real life they don't look like that, but on there they do. Oh well. By the way guys, the look that I'm doing is inspired by Jasmine Hand, well, Makeup by Jazz. She is literally my inspiration for makeup, like times 100,000 billion. And I seen this ages ago and I was like, let's just do it because yeah. And oh, love you Jazz. I know you'll never ever see this, but I don't care because you're amazing. So next she went in with the red. So I'm just going to put that pretty much in the same area just to darken it up a bit. So I have an occasion for this look right now. So at my work we are having our Christmas party. We have ours like in the new year just because it's easier. And yeah, and it's like tropical themed, and I was like, well, I might as well go all out because I can, and yeah. Woohoo! Look how colourful it is! Oh, I'm nervous. I'm just going to pop that on the outside part of my eye. Just pack that on and then blend it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay. And then she did like a half cut crease, and I can't really do them, but I'm going to try anyway because you know I can. So I'm just using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Fair. So I'm just going to use a flat shader brush, and I don't really know what I'm going to do, but oh, the struggles are real having hooded eyes. So I'm just going to put it down here first. Cool. And then where that line is, I'm just going to bring it up higher. Get some more concealer on there. So far so good. Does that look right? I don't know. I feel like every time I do cut crease it just looks stupid. Oh, I'm just going to blend this, just the outer edge bit here, just so it's not like a harsh line. Cool. And then I'm just going to do the other eye, so I'll be right back. I'm just going to set that down with some setting powder. I hope this doesn't look dumb. I'm sure someone will tell me if it does, that's all good. So next I'm going in with the yellow shade, and I'm just going to pack that everywhere where I put the concealer. I'm just going to put some more red in here just to darken that up because it just went a bit too far. in life, you know what I mean? How's that look, guys? What do you think? I think I've done pretty well for me first go. And then she went in with like a glitter line right where she cut the crease. So I'm going to do that because it looked amazing. And I'm using the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Liquid Liner in the shade Glam Rock. So I'm just going to put that exactly where the crease cuts. Cut crease. You know what I mean. On the line. Just on the line. Oh my god! This is so much fun! Thank you, Jazz, for being such an inspiration in my life. Does that look dumb? I don't care because it looks cool to me. Oh my god. I'm actually so happy. I'm doing something so different. Like, I would never do this. I would never do this. I'm so happy. Okay, now I'm going to do a wing. I better not get ahead of myself because, you know, I'll probably stuff it up soon. So I'm just going to do my wing, BRB. Now that my wings are not really, but will do similar, let's go for lashes. So the lashes I'm using today are the Holy Grail Princess style, and they are just amazing and I can't wait to put them on. So I'm just going to stick those bad boys on and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that my lashes are on, and oh my god, they are amazing. Oh my god, everyone at work is like, damn, she's so extra. Sorry about it. So for primer, I'm going to use the Benefit That Gal, and I'm just going to place that all over my face. This primer is amazing. It's really like moisturizing. I always use it on all my clients that have like quite dry skin, and it smells really good too. It smells like candy. Oh yes. For foundation, I'm going to use, actually I'm going to mix two. I'm going to use both Maybelline, of course, because it's like my favorite drugstore brand, but I'm going to use the Matte and Poreless in the shade 118 and the Superstay 24-hour makeup in the shade, Classic Beige. Beige? Oh, no worries. So I'm just going to blend that all in with my Damp Beauty blender. And yeah, just blend. Jesus, put a little bit too much on my face, but that's no worries, Dal, I can fix that one. Never forget to go down your neck, ladies and gentle ladies. It looks so like white on the camera. Is that real? Like, it's not that bad, is it? Surely not. It doesn't look that bad in real life. Oh. Anyways, no problem. Thank you. And to highlight the face, I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Fair. What a surprise. So I'm just going to put down the centre of my face. So chin, cupid's bow, down the bridge of my nose and forehead. And then just blend that in before I move on to the eyes. And then of course under the eyes. Whoa. I'm just so excited. I love my eyes so far. And to bake that concealer, I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Pack that on. Okay, and then to set the rest of my face, I'm just going to go in with the Australis Fresh and Flawless in the shade Natural. Close one eye. Give me your hand, darling. Now to bronze up the face, I'm going to use the Natural Rimmel Bronzer in the shade Sun Bronze. And I'm just using a tapered bronzing brush, I guess you'd call it. Oh, itchy spot. No. So I'm just going to put that in the highs of my cheeks, around my chins, around my forehead, and just pretty much everywhere, down. There, I don't look so pale no more. What do you mean? And to contour, of course, I'm using the Hoola by Benefit with the brush that it came with. I'm just going to put that in my cheekbones and just brush it upwards so we have a nice sort of, you know, cheekbone that it doesn't actually exist. And then we'll put some under here so it looks like we have a jawline, but we actually don't. About the cheekbones a bit more, I'm going in with some more translucent powder, and I'm just going to put that right under where I contoured. Just with my damp beauty blender, and just drag that along. So while that's baking, I'm going to go on to blush and highlighter. So the blush I'm using today is the Hot Mama Bumma Wumma. Just kidding. The Hot Mama by The Balm. I'm just going to put that on the apples of my cheeks. So for highlighter, I think I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerrero, whatever it's called, palette. And I think I'm going to go in with, Kitty Cat, that one there. See how it goes. And I'm just using the Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 highlighting brush. Ooh, it's a bit intense. On me. Whoa, I love my life right now. Okay, now for the under eyes. What am I going to do? Under the eyes, I'm going to do the blue and then maybe the green. We'll see how we go. Gonna go in with the blue first. I'm just using the Holy Grail Petite Shader brush. Okay. Maybe I won't use that brush. I'm gonna use this brush instead. Okay, then I'm gonna go back in with this brush and do the green with that. So then I'll blend it out. Oh my god! Oh my god, I love my life! Okay, and of course I'm just going to put some mascara on the bottom. Because, you know, can't miss that step, guys. For inner corner highlight, I'm going to go back in with the Anastasia one, and I'm going to use the Forever Lip, just that one there. Just going to pop that bad boy right in the inner corner. Oh my god, I love my life right now. So because my eyes are so like bam, I'm just going to go in with like a nudie sort of lip. So I'm just using the Kylie Cosmetics matte liquid lipstick in the shade Cocoa K. And chuck that bad boy on. Too pink, don't like it. Okay, so I just had to experiment because I didn't like the first colour that I used. So I went in with Candy K, and then I went in with Exposed, like in the centre, and just sort of a little bit of ombre it, but yeah. And of course, to finish off, I'm using the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray. Done.
So this is the final look done. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Shout out to Jazz Hand for being such an inspiration to me as always. And go ahead and check her out if you haven't already. I'll leave all her links down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!